Okay, so now I'm going to show you the last look, which is, of course, Juliet. This is exactly what they did on us when I danced it. So we're going to use a clear elastic and we're going to do a half up, half down. Don't put too much hair in this, otherwise you don't have very much down. So it's a small section, and make sure it's in line with your ears. You don't want it to be too high. Top of the ears is a good benchmark for this because this section is going to become the braids. Make sure you clean up the top now because the more you do that, the better the braids will sit. So dividing this section into two pieces. Again, the more hair you have here, the bigger the braids will be, but the less you have down. So it's braid one side. A little bit of a braid is fine. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to pull it out in a second. Put another little elastic on it if you want to keep it in place. And then we're going to pull this braid out to make it a little bit thicker so it shows up a little bit better. And then all you're going to do is you're going to loop this around and place it on your head. Make sure you're happy with it. Again, that's why we wanted that half up, half down section a little bit lower, so the braid sits lower on your head. Then you're just going to pin it into place. Again, you have to look in the mirror, make sure you're happy with it, make sure it's sitting right where you want it to. Don't worry about the ends yet. We're going to tuck it into the other side in a second, so don't worry about the ends yet. So that is one side. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So take the other side and start braiding. This is where they would put fake hair in for me into these braids. They didn't put fake hair down, but I had fake hair in these braids to help the thickness. That's another option. That gets a little complicated. So do your braid, put a little elastic and make it thinner, and then place it on top of your head. The trick is to make it even with the other side near your ear. Don't worry about the back. We're going to fix that in a second. And you can always hide the bobby pins as well. If you see your bobby pins are sticking out, you can kind of maneuver them around to put the hair over it. It is possible. And then you're going to pin this section up just like you did the first side. Now, we're going to tuck the ends in as well. So make sure those ends get tucked in underneath the braid. They'll just wrap around. You can also use them to hide the elastics on top of your head. That's another thing that I do. And just kind of pin them in place. Again, this takes some practice. It takes some time to make sure you're happy with it. But we really only had this singular braid. Some companies with Juliet, the braids are entirely fake and they do a double braid. Now, take a little piece of hair from the bottom and wrap it around that elastic so it hides it. It's a much cleaner look. And that sort of fixes the back as well. Then you can't see the elastic. Finally, if you want to soften it, pull out some of the little hairs, little curls. It just gives it a softer look rather than a slick back look. And that is Juliet. Like I said, some companies do double braids. I believe the Macmillan version does that, and the braids are entirely fake. They're their own headpiece. But for us at New York City Ballet, our braids were part of our hair, and this is what we did.